Okay, kitties. Do you want to do some tricks for some treats? You got Freddy, sit down. Sit, cute pup. Next. Can you do it nicely? Good boy. Good girl. Next. Good boy. Ready. Good girl. Next. You want another treat? Good boy. Ready. Sit. Pound. Good girl. Next pound. Good boy. Ready. Max. Next pound. Nice. The other paw. Good boy. Ready. Pound. Good girl. Max up. Pound. Good boy. Pound. Ready. Up. Good girl. Next up. Can you give me a pound? Can you give me the other paw? Good boy. Ready. Up. Pound. Good girl. Next. Do you want to do a turnaround? You want to go around? I'm not really sure how to train you for that. I don't get it, but ready. Get the last pound. Love you so much. Ready? I love you so much. You guys are really good at pounding.